Ka BJP Meghalaya kala ujor ki ijahar ka CBI lani ka Central Bureau Investigation halor ka jesse bamsap jaga Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bar ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council u President ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Maury ulong bola pendep ika kamra mahadin Meghalaya jingtip ika kam bamsap jungkini ki atli ki Autonomous District Council lengba ka RTI bar minta ki lambudo isendan da ka ijahar.
After we received the RTI paper, and we have already submitted to all the concerned person, and on top of that, we have filed the FIR to the CBI office here in Shillong.
Habakali na u ka ega jadai jong kaseng BJP Meghalaya bar ka Sarkar MDA uba Ernest Maury ulo ang baka jadai ka ka way ka benta bar ka kambam sap ka ka way ka benta bar ula kranshai baka nongrim jo ka BJP ka longbej ba kamla sha yaki kambam sap.
You see, coalition is different thing, corruption is different. So like we stand, no, we are zero tolerance with the corruption. We stand very clearly that we are not tolerated with the corruption.